Tuesday Night Raw. Alright, you're live with our first break out of eBay. This is a break of Series 1 1415. It's a double box break. Break number is 1458. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. And as you guys can see, I still didn't get my upper deck cutters, so that's why I'm still using that big knife. Alright, 24 packs per box. 6 Young Guns per box, of course. Pack number 1, we start with a Young Gun. Florida Panthers, Jonathan Racine. Pack number 2, we have a Young Gun exclusive. 75 out of 100 for the San Jose Sharks. Chris Journey. Nice hit for San Jose. Next, we have a game jersey, Florida Panthers at Belfort. We have a Young Gun, Arizona Coyotes, Brendan Gormley. Next, Canvas, San Jose Sharks, Antti Niemi. What do we have next? We have a Shining Stars, Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. We have a 25th anniversary, 14 out of 25 for the Calgary Flames, Gary Roberts. 14 out of 25, Gary Roberts. Next, Young Gun, New York Islanders, Johan Sundstrom. We have the Hockey Heroes, Calgary Flames, Jerome Ginla. Shining Stars, Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Canvas, Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher. Young Gun, Boston Bruins, Bobby Robbins. And pack number 12. That is a base bag. I'm going to go fast through it. So that was our first half of box number 1. Next, we have the Hockey Heroes, Detroit Red Wings, Steve Eisman. Shining Stars Blue, LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Anze Kopitar. Next, we have a Canvas, Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. Young Gun, Colorado Avalanche, Dennis Everberg. Dennis Everberg, Colorado Avalanche. We have a Shining Stars Blue, Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Next, Shining Stars, Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. Base pack number 2. Alright, so that was another base pack. Young Gun, Anaheim Ducks, William Karlsson. We have a canvas for the LA Kings, Marion Gaborik. 2 packs left out of box number 1. We have a game jersey, Montreal Canadiens, Alex Galchenyuk. And last pack of box number 1. We have a base pack. So that's it for box number 1. I think it was a good box. Box number 2. We move on. So if you guys like Series 1 or Series 2, we have some breaks going on for Series 2 16-17. Release date is February 15. So if you want to participate in our Facebook break, go visit our Facebook page. Alright, box number 2, we have a Young Gun. Oh, nice one. Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Pack number 2. Hockey Heroes, Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom. Next, we have the Hockey Heroes, Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin. We have a canvas, Tampa Bay Lightning, Andrej Palat. Next, Young Gun, New York Rangers, Anthony Duclair. The Duke. Shining Stars Blue, Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom. Shining Stars Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Who's still entered. First base back out of box number 2. Young Gun, Detroit Red Wings, Andre Nestruzil. Andre Nestruzil, yeah, Andre Nestruzil. Next, we have a Young Gun canvas, Ottawa Senators, Curtis Lazar. Curtis Lazar for the Ottawa Senators. I was about to say Edmonton. We have a game jersey, Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. Whoa. That's, look, that's the it. I'm just gonna show you guys. Those were base, but look at that, glued on the pack. So we have a 25th anniversary autograph. Woo! 22 out of 25. Chicago Blackhawks, Michel Goulet. So another nice box. So nice hit for Chicago Blackhawks. Michel Goulet autograph. The guy used to be good. Next, we have a base pack. We have a game jersey, New York Rangers, Richard Nash. Richard. Next, we have a Young Gun, Boston Bruins, Alexander Kovalchev. We have a canvas, Montreal Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. We have a Shining Stars, LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Next, we have a base pack. Young Gun, Montreal Canadiens, Juraj Sekac. ELJ. Here, Jessica. Hockey Heroes, Tampa Bay Lightning, Marty St. Louis with the Art and Artros Trophy. Shining Stars, Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Sharp. 3 packs left. We have a canvas, Dallas Stars, Valerie Nichushkin. What a career he had. That is a sad story. Young Gun, Buffalo Sabres, Sam Rainer. And last pack of Series 1. Like a snake. We finished this break with a base pack. That sucks. Alright, so Series 1 is done. I'll be right back, and I'll be fast. And I'll be back in a minute with SP Authentic 14-15. Stay there. You don't want to miss that. No, you don't want to miss that. You just don't want to miss that.